In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an About page on Google Sites, fast and easy. Let's dive right in and get started with this simple process. First things first, you need to open up your web browser and navigate to Google Sites. You can do this by typing Google Sites into your search bar and selecting the first link that appears in your search results. This will take you directly to the Google Sites homepage. Once there, you'll want to select the website you'd like to work on. If this is your first time creating a site, just go ahead and choose the option to start a new one. Click on the site that you'd like to edit, and you'll find yourself inside the Google Sites editor. Here, on the editor page, direct your attention to the top of the interface and click on the Pages tab. This will open up a new side section where you can see all your site's existing pages laid out in a list. To add a new About page, you'll need to locate the plus icon, which should be right at the bottom of the Pages section. Go ahead and click on that plus icon, and when prompted, name your new page About. This will become your dedicated About page that will tell visitors all about your site or organization. Once you've entered the name, ensure to click on Done, and your new page will be officially added to your site. Now that your About page is in place, it's time to customize it a bit to make it stand out. Click on the About page you just created to open it, and you'll see an array of options appear. One of the first things you want to do is perhaps highlight the title by making it bold or changing its color. This customization helps draw attention and matches the overall aesthetic of your site. To add content to your About page, click on the Insert tab and then select Text Box. This will allow you to click inside the new text box and start typing your content. Here, you can describe your organization, share your mission statement, team members, or any pertinent history you think site visitors should know about. Feel free to leverage this space to make a connection with your audience. Before wrapping up, you might want to add a finishing touch by changing the theme of your site. Click on the Themes tab and browse through the available options. Pick a theme that aligns with your site's branding or personal preference. Once you're satisfied with the content and the theme changes, the final step is crucial. Click Publish at the top of your screen. This ensures that all your hard work is saved and visible to the world. And there you have it. You've just created a sleek, informative About page using Google Sites with ease. With your new skills, feel free to revisit your site anytime to make more changes or updates as needed. Thank you for watching, and happy site building.